Topic number 1, finding the volume of cuboids and prisms. A cuboid is like a rectangular box. So if I've got one which is 12 centimeters in one direction by 7 meters by 11 centimeters, if I'm drawing that, all right, the formula for a volume cuboid is length times width times height. So what I'm doing here is 12 times 11 times 7. So when I'm working out the volume of this one, I can type in 12 times 11 times 7, and the answer to that one comes up as 924 centimeters cubed. The second question. The above metal cuboid is melted down into a different cuboid of this dimension, and the base of it is 13 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Calculate the height. We talked about the volume of a cuboid being length times width times height. So when I'm doing length times width times height, okay, it's 13 times 6 times the height or depth is equal to the same as the other cuboid. The other cuboid is 924. So what I would do now is work out what 13 times 6 is. And 13 times 6 is 78. So 924 is 78 times the height. So the height or depth times 78 is 924. So to find that, the quickest way of doing it, the opposite of times 78 is divide by 78. So we're doing 924 divided by 78, which is 11.8 centimeters to 1 decimal place. Because when you round to 1 decimal place, okay, it's either going to be, it's one after the decimal point, so it's either going to be 11.8 or 11.9. So look at the next digit, because it's 4 or less, you round it down. If it was 5 or more, it'd go up to 11.9. To work out the volume of a prism, I've drawn this shape on you because it's slightly different. If I got this picture of a tent or a Toblerone bar, okay, when you get something that's not a cuboid, the volume of any other shape is always, of any prism, is always find the area of the cross section and then multiply by, so it's the area of the cross section times the length going back. So in terms of this one, you've got a triangle. So if I was working out the area of a triangle, hopefully you remember that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the base of it is 5, the height is 6 divided by 2. So 5 6s are 30, 30 divided by 2 is 15, and then to find the volume, you multiply the length going back, which is 10. So it's 15 times 10, which is 150 centimeters cubed.